classes to be shown upon the stage. The topic of volume of 10. Let's start our skit.
Seema were husband and wife. There had been sons named Sonu and Monu. Both of them were twins, but their faces were completely different, not only their faces, but their thoughts and habits were different. Like every day, Mohit wakes up in the morning and sees that the Sonu also wakes early on Sunday, and he is studying sitting outside on the sofa.
Sonu, what is the matter that you were getting up early in the morning to study? Papa, there is a Hindi class test tomorrow and the English project has been given to ma'am after 2 days.
See, our first son Sonu wakes up in the morning and starting studying. Other than Monu, who wakes up in the morning but went out to play bat ball with his friends.
Just in Monu comes there and talks to mom.
Mom, quickly give me breakfast. While playing bat ball, I got hungry.
You are completely sweat. First take bath, then I will give you breakfast.
Oh Mom, even one day she did not let me rest in peace. I will take one holiday in a week. In that you wake me in the morning and make me sit down to study. I have all day to study. I will take a bath and also study.
Is the matter? You have the test tomorrow. So as like Monu first, how for you? Should prepare for the test and the rest is just playing around.
Papa, I will study as well. I still have all for that.
Those who do not have content always have to repent. Hence sitting for eating, playing, done on time. Then you able to move ahead life properly. Like Sonu does. I have to go out for some important work. I will come in the evening and listen to Hindi question and answer from both of you.
Say this Mohit goes away from there. After some time, Sonu learns everything Hindi, starts making a project work in English, while Monu started watching TV instead of studying. Monu's friends come to his house and invite him to play.
Monu, everyone is waiting for you to play bat ball outside and you are busy in watching this.
Mom, I am going to play with my friends.
If you go to play, then when will you study? If you do not study, your marks will come down.
Hey Mom, I will study in the evening. And see, I will make the English project in a way. The test is not today, but tomorrow as whether is good or bad.
Saying this, Monu was out to play with his friend. When Mohit comes home in the evening, he sees the Sonu as prepared and decorate his English project as well.
And my Hindi preparation is also complete.